Okay, done. So our today's topics are revision based on types of sentences, then types of nouns, degree of comparison, and this one, my favorite, that we have learned, right? This topic also have been taught to you. So for that you will be having some topics defined. तुम्हाला कशावर बोलायचं आहे त्याच्यासाठी टॉपिक डिफाईन केलेले आहेत. फक्त त्याच टॉपिक्सवर तुम्ही बोलू शकता आज. आणि for every question you have to write your answer in the chat box, and for this last question, this one 5 to 10 lines on my favorite, that may be your festival, that may be a book, animal, season, teacher, or a subject. Okay, so this I am going to ask each and every student. Each and every student is going to talk on this. प्रत्येकाने या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर सगळ्यांनी द्यायचा आहे. सगळ्यांनी या गोष्टीवर बोलायचं आहे. सो विल बी स्टार्टिंग with first part, that is type of sentences. Okay, here options are given: declarative, that is the assertive; interrogative, exclamatory, and your imperative. Okay, so let's start. Don't drop those apples. Don't drop those apples. What type of sentence it is? Write it in a chat box. Imperative. Yes. Everyone should write it on the same time, please. This is like a test to you. Everyone please write answer in the chat box. About 16 students are present over here and only 9 to 10 are writing. 9 to 10. Okay. Okay. So your first sentence is the imperative one. Next. Don't scare the birds away. Don't scare the birds away. Yes, the exclamatory mark is there, but the sentence is the imperative. Next. Do you have your own computer? Do you have your own computer? Ayush, what are you writing? Informative, cooperative. Options दिलेत ना वरती. Declarative types of sentences you know or not? Don't write anything rubbish. Okay, so as this is a question, so you have to write interrogative for this. Okay, good. Next. Please be careful. Please be careful. What is the first letter of the alphabet? Fifth one. Right for fifth one. What is the first letter of the alphabet? Interrogative. So it's interrogative. Next. Do you like chocolate cake? My name is Francisca. 7. My name is Francisca. Declarative or assertive? Yes. This one is declarative or assertive. Today is a very sunny day. Today is a very sunny day. Declarative. Yes. Please come down to eat your breakfast. Please come down to eat your breakfast. Imperative. Done? Next. Wow, that looks amazing. Tenth one. Tenth one. Exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Yes. Please open the door. Please open the door. Imperative. What is your name? What is your name? 12th one. Interrogative. Yes. Tomorrow we are going to the zoo. Tomorrow we are going to the zoo. Declarative. Yes. Yes. Declarative or assertive you can write. Good. Go to your class right now. Go to your class right now. Imperative. Yes. As order is given over there. Can we watch a movie tonight? Can we watch a movie tonight? Yes. Interrogative. It's interrogative. Okay. So this was all about the types of sentences. You all have written very well. Some of the students have written the wrong answers, but it's fine. Yes. Shall we move to the types of noun then? Yes, the question related to types of noun. See, in this, you know the types of nouns, that is proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun, and collective noun. Okay, this we have learned, right? So what you have to do? What you have to do? I will read a sentence. You have to see the highlighted word. I will also tell you that highlighted word, and then you have to tell me which noun is that, which type of noun is that. Okay, so we'll start. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Abstract. Yes, it's an abstract noun. Good. My sound is clear to all of you, or is it breaking? Please get confirmed. Is it clear or breaking? Clear. Okay, so Bhavik, you can leave the class and join again, as I think there is problem with your network, cause for all of them my voice is clear. Okay, okay, fine. Fine, thank you so much. Let's start with the next one. My brother's name is Sam. Brothers. Brothers, common noun. Very nice. Good. Yes, brother is a common noun. Next. Third one, we'll move on third one. The audience liked our performance very much. Audience. Audience. No, no, stop. It's not a common noun. Audience म्हणजे group of people. Yes, Soham, very good. It's a collective type of noun. Soham and Deepika has written. Yes, it's a collective noun. Okay. Okay, it's a collective noun. Next. My mother likes gold jewelry. My mother likes gold jewelry. No, not proper. Material, yes. It's a material noun. Okay, next. Udaipur is city of lakes. City. Udaipur is city of lakes. City. Yes, it's a common noun. Okay, next. Don't worry, everything will be all right. Worry. Worry is a abstract. Yes. Good. Worry is a abstract noun. Okay, the next one, seventh one. In the party, Mona was wearing a costly silk sari. Silk. Yes, silk is a material. No, Soham, it's a material. See, you have to differentiate between काय difference आहे proper and material मध्ये, that you have to understood. Okay. जेव्हा एखादं मटेरियल, एखादा सबस्टन्स असेल, एखाद्या मटेरियल बद्दल आपल्याला सांगितलं असेल, तेव्हा आपण ते मटेरियल नाउन म्हणून घेणार. नेक्स्ट. Gargi is a woman of great wisdom. Wisdom. Abstract, as it is a property or emotion. When property or emotion is there, it can be called as abstract noun. Next. I am sure you will get your wish. I am sure you will get your wish. Abstract. Yes, this is also abstract. Okay. Next. I like the website www.learnersplanet.com. It has excellent educational resources. www.learnersplanet.com. Yes, it's a proper one. Because वेबसाईटचं नाव दिलेलं आहे म्हणून हे प्रॉपर नाव मिळणार. 11th. Please bring a shower curtain from the market. Curtain. No, curtain will be the common noun. Curtain is not a material. Cotton will be the material. Okay. जर कॉटन असतं तर ते मटेरियल असतं. जर पूर्ण शॉवर कर्टनला मार्क केलेलं असतं तर ते प्रॉपर असतं. पण कर्टन मग ते कोणतंही असू शकतं म्हणून कॉमन. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज you have to carry some cash in local currency if you go to abroad. Currency. Currency. Yes, common. जर एखाद्या प्लेसची करन्सी मेन्शन केलेली असते तर प्रॉपर. अदरवाइज करन्सी जस्ट करन्सी विल कम इन कॉमन ओनली. नेक्स्ट. The countryside is splendid in its beauty. Beauty. Yes, beauty will be the abstract. We use steel utensils in our kitchen. Steel. Steel is a material. Yes. Just a second. Okay. Then the last one is she shows the great diligence in her school homework. Diligence is a abstract. Very good. Okay. Okay, so till now we have completed types of sentences and the our this types of nouns. Yes. Now third part is degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. Here what they have given, तुम्हाला ब्रॅकेट मध्ये वर्ड दिलेलं असेल. सेंटेन्स रीड करायचा आहे. सेंटेन्सला कोणते डिग्री सुटेबल होणार आहे, त्या डिग्री मध्ये वर्डला काय लागेल किंवा वर्ड जसाच्या तसा येईल का ते सांगायचं आहे. ओके. ते तो वर्ड तुम्ही तिथे लिहायचा आहे. डिग्री कोणती आहे ते लिहू नका. जस्ट राईट अ वर्ड ओव्हर देअर. ओके. Ravina is dash dash than her sister. Tall. Ravina is dash dash than her sister. Tall. Taller. Good. Yes. Ravina is taller than her sister. Okay. Next. The Alps are the dash dash mountain ranges in Europe. High. No. No. Yes. Highest. Real is right. Highest. हायेस्ट माउंटेन रेंजेस इन युरोप. कारण दोन गोष्टींमध्ये कंपॅरिझन नाहीये. आपण ER कधी लावणार जेव्हा दोन गोष्टींमध्ये कंपॅरिझन असेल. इथे काय सांगितलंय, अल्पच्या पर्वतरांगा या युरोप मधील काय आहेत, सगळ्यात मोठ्या आहेत. त्यामुळे हायेस्ट. EST. व्हेरी गुड. हायेस्ट. नाउ द टेस्ट वॉज व्हेरी डॅश डॅश. इझी. येस. गुड. द वर्ड विल रिमेन ऍट इट इज. त्याला काहीच होणार नाही. आपण त्याला IR पण लावणार नाही, इझीएस्ट पण करणार नाही. Easy. It will be easy only. Good. Next. The test was dash dash than I thought. Easy. The test was dash dash than I thought. Easier. Easier. Very good. Easier. Okay. Next. She is dash dash than him. Old. Older. Good. Older. And which type of degree will be there? जर तुम्ही तिथे ओल्डर लिहिताय तर ती कोणती डिग्री होतीये? सांगा. डिग्रीचं नाव लिहा, कंपॅरेटिव्ह. येस, कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री. गुड. नेक्स्ट. Who is the dash dash man in the world? Tall. Who is the dash dash man in the world? Tall. Tallest. Very good. Tallest. Who is the tallest man in the world? Okay. Next. I can run dash dash than you. Fast. Faster. Yes. I can run faster than you. Very good. Okay. Then, who is the dash dash runner in the class? Fast. Who is the dash dash runner in the class? Fast. Fastest. Yes. Who is the fastest runner in the class? And which type of degree this will be? या डिग्रीला काय म्हणणार आपण? Superlative. Good. Next. Ravi's house is dash dash as Peter's house. Big. Big. Okay. Ravi's house is as big as Peter's house. And which type of degree it will be? Positive. Good. She took the dash dash ropes to tie the bags together. Strong. She took the dash dash ropes to tie the bags together. Strong. No. Yes. Strongest. Strongest will be the right one. She took the strongest ropes to tie the bags together. This story is dash dash interesting than that story. This story is dash dash interesting than that story. More interesting. Very good. More interesting. Yes. This story is more interesting than that story. Okay. Which type of degree will be there if more we are putting more? कोणती डिग्री असणार आहे तिथे? Comparative. Good. Okay. So आतापर्यंत आपला तुमचं 5th to 10th जे बेसिक ग्रामर होतं ते आपण सगळं कंप्लीट केलेलं आहे. जेवढे टॉपिक्स डिफाइन केले होते तुमच्यासाठी ते आपण सगळं कंप्लीट केलेलं आहे. फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टुडंट लाईक आय थिंक फ्रॉम 7th और 8th टू 10th तुमच्यासाठी चेंज द व्हॉइस, देन डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच यासारखे काही टफ टॉपिक सुद्धा आहेत. ओके. सो फॉर दिस from today onwards we'll be dealing with your advanced syllabus. Advanced syllabus साठी 5th, 6th आणि I think 7th also you all are not allowed. Okay. ऍडव्हान्स सिलेबस तुमच्यासाठी नाहीये. तुमच्यासाठी जो बेसिक होता तो आपण आता सगळा क्लिअर केलेला आहे. जे हायर आहेत पुढच्या वर्गातले स्टुडंट्स आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी ऍडव्हान्स जो काही सिलेबस आहे तो आपण लवकरच चालू करू. ओके. सो this was all about the revision of your types of sentences, then your types of nouns and degree. Okay. Anyone has any doubt? You have understood whatever we have done? सांगा लवकर. Shall we move to the next topic? Okay. Okay. See, your next topic is you have to say 5 to 10 lines on your favorite festival, book, animal, season, teacher, and subject. Okay. Everyone has to do. लोअर स्टँडर्ड, फिफ्थ सिक्स स्टँडर्ड तुमच्यासाठी 5 लाईन्स पण चालतील. 7 स्टँडर्ड तुम्हाला 5 लाईन्सच्या पुढे बोलायचं आहे. ओके, प्लीज एव्हरीवन शुड टेक पार्ट इन दिस. मला नावं घ्यायला लावू नका. सिरियली ज्याला बोलायचं आहे त्याने चॅटबॉक्स मध्ये नाव लिहा, सो दॅट आय कॅन नोट डाऊन युअर नेम्स अँड आय कॅन कॉल फॉर इट. कारण मी प्रत्येकाचं नाव घेत बसणार नाहीये, कॉज ऑल ऑफ यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस. आय नो दॅट व्हेरी वेल. कारण आपले जेवढे लेक्चर्स झालेत त्याच्यामधून आय हॅव एक्सपिरियन्स दिस. Bhavik, I think that is your network problem. Yes, my sound is clear, right? Bhavik, तुझं नेटवर्क स्टेबल नाहीये, दॅट्स वाय यू आर हॅव्हिंग दॅट प्रॉब्लेम. कारण सगळ्यांना माझा आवाज क्लिअर येतोय. And you can see over here, I have my full Wi-Fi network. Please. Chala. Who will start? Write your name in the chat box. कोणापासून स्टार्ट करायचं आपण? Everyone has to tell. Okay, write your names fast. I will note down and then I will call. Aditi, Deepika, Kadambari, Mahika, Bhavik, Anuj, Priyal. 19 students are there. Only 7 names are there. Everyone has to. सगळ्यांना बोलायचं आहे. सगळ्यांनाच बोलायला लावणार आहे मी आज. फक्त सिरियली ज्यांची नावं पहिले आलेली आहेत त्यांना प्रायोरिटी दिली जाईल. ओके, यू कॅन पिक अ टॉपिक फ्रॉम दिस. फेस्टिवल, बुक, एनिमल, सीजन, टीचर, सब्जेक्ट. ओके, Aniket also. Yes, done. Aditi, Deepika, Kadambari, Mahika, Bhavik, Anuj, Priyal and Aniket. Okay. So let's start. After these people get completed, I am going to ask your name and you have to put on your mic and tell me something, at least 5 lines about a specific topic. Okay, Aditi, let's start with you.
Hello.
Yes.
My favorite subject. My favorite subject is mathematics. We can say either mathematics or maths. Math helps us in counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. In maths, we can use many ways to solve problems. When the math class started, I think this class should not be end. In maths, I love pictogram very much because in pictogram we can use many pictures. In maths, there are so many chapters are there like fraction, equations, bar graph, etc. Math is also fun because of a lot of math games. I love maths very much.
Okay, good. Next, Deepika.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
My favorite season. There are 3 seasons in year: summer, rainy, and winter. We all enjoy these seasons, but my favorite season is summer. We make lots of fun in summer season. The summer season begins from the beginning of March and continues till the June. It gets hot during summer season. Every part of India except the northern mountain experience hot weather. I love summer season. We get long holidays during summer season. We go to our village in summer season. In summer season, we get sweet mangoes and jackfruits. Therefore, I like summer season most.
Very good. Okay. मला जरा या स्पेसिफिक लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स क्लिअर करू द्या. Okay. First, Kadambari, Deepika, Aditi, Anuj, make me clear that my voice is clearly audible or not. Is it audible clearly? Okay. Okay, fine, fine. So, the people who are not getting my voice clear, please you can leave your class and can join, or please check with your network. Please put on your net, put off it and then again on it. Please check with it. एकाने टाईप केल्यावर सगळ्यांनी टाईप करायला सुरुवात केली आहे. प्लीज चेक ओव्हर देअर. बाकीच्यांना सगळ्यांना आवाज येतोय, मग तुम्हालाच का नाही येत आहे? अँड आयुष, वेन यू हॅव रिटन दॅट लो व्हॉइस, आय वॉज नॉट स्पीकिंग ओनली. मी बोलतच नव्हते. ओके, फॉर युअर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन, माय माइक वॉज ऑफ. ओनली दीपिका वॉज सेइंग. तुम्हाला जेव्हा टॉपिक वर बोलायला सांगितलं जातं तेव्हा तुम्हाला काही बोलायचं नसतं. नेक्स्ट इज कादंबरी.
Yes, ma'am. Festival. Festival is a celebration of all life. This celebration brings peace and joy to the humanity. I like to celebrate festivals. During festival, we can catch up our friends and relatives. We also enjoy sweets and gifts. Festivals are divided as regional, national, and seasonal. Regional festivals like Diwali, Dasra, Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated in Maharashtra. National festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti celebrated all over India. Baisakhi, Holi, Onam, etc. are some seasonal festivals. These are celebrated to welcome spring and harvest. The farmers worship the sun, cattle, and crops. There are many festivals in India, but I like Diwali festival most because it is the festival of lights. Even festivals spread cheer and joy among the people and make them fall in love with their culture. Thank you.
Good, very nice. Next is Mahika.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, Mahika.
Um, my favorite festival. My favorite festival is Diwali. It is also called as the Festival of Lights. It is celebrated in October or November by Hindus. Diwali is also a celebration of Goddess Lakshmi. I wear new clothes. We light our homes with diyas and oil lamps made from clay. There are many delicious milk sweets, cashew sweets, and almond sweets my family prepares. Diwali brings all of us together in the spirit of celebration, joy, and happiness. Therefore, I like Diwali festival very much.
Okay. Next is Bhavik. Yes, Bhavik, you have written your name, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to say 5 to 10 lines on my favorite festival, book, animal, season, teacher, or subject. या
My
कशात?
favorite, my favorite, my favorite day, my favorite festival, Diwali, Holi, and Gandhi Jayanti.
Pick only one. फक्त एकच उचलायचं आहे आणि त्याच्यावर 5 to 10 लाईन्स बोलायच्या आहेत. Okay. Next is Anuj. Yes, Anuj.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, start. What is your
Diwali.
topic?
Diwali.
Festival. Okay, right. Start.
Diwali is a happy festival of Indian. It is also known as Deepavali, means rows of lights lamp. This festival celebrated in the month of October or November every year. Lord Rama come back to Amayud, Amayud, Ayodhya,
Ayodhya.
Ayodhya on this. Then he live in exile for 14 years. When he come back to Ayodhya, people lighted lamp. The people very were happy on this return.
Yes.
Diwali comes, people decorated their house, shops with colorful light lamps, rangoli, flowers, etc. They pe- prepare sweets, dishes to eat and distribute them relative and friend.
Okay. Done?
Yes.
Very good. Next is Priyal.
Yes, ma'am. The topic my favorite festival.
Okay.
My favorite festival is Diwali. It is also called the festival of lighting. We celebrate Diwali because on this day Lord Rama and Goddess Sita come back to Ayodhya. On this occasion, all the people in Ayodhya uh, lighten the lamps outside their house. On this in this festival Diwali, people decorate their house shops and make delicious sweets and give gifts to each other and greet each other with happiness. This is the reason why I like this festival. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Next is Aniket. One name is there, Aniket. Yes. Aniket. The name was written over here. Okay. So the who were interested are done. Now I'm going to tell that who is going to be the next. Yes. Be ready. Okay, Dhanashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Today I'm going to talk about my favorite festival. My favorite festival is Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Holi is one of the festival celebrated in India mainly by Hindu every year. It is one of the biggest festival in our country which comes every year during March. On Holi, people eat delicious food like laddu, halwa, gujia, etc. Ho- Holi is played with watercolors, dry colors like gulals in the morning most of the regions. Thank you.
Okay, good. Next is Anagha. Anagha, put on your mic. Yes, Anagha, put on your mic and select one topic and say 5 to 10 lines about that. What happened to your mic? Now the problems are arising one by one. Okay, Dheeraj. Dheeraj, mic on करायचा आहे. Yes, Dheeraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as you
My
are the
favorite
10th student, you must be having the very grasp and additional information, right? So तू दिलेली इन्फॉर्मेशन बाकीच्या लहान मुलांना जास्त उपयोगी पडेल. त्यामुळे तुम्ही पार्टिसिपेट केलं पाहिजे. प्लीज स्टार्ट.
uh, my topic is my favorite festival. My favorite festival is Holi. Holi is the great festival of color celebrated every year by the Hindu people in India. Holi festival falls every year falls every year in the spring season in the month of Falgun or March. It is one of the happiest festivals of the Hindus like Diwali. It is celebrated every year on the first day of Chaitra, Chaitra month. The whole environment and natural looks very beautiful and colorful at the time of Holi.
Okay, good.
Thanks.
Next is Shardul.
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Okay.
My favorite festival is Holi. Holi is the one of the biggest festival of India, just like Diwali, Dussehra, etc. This festival also called as a festival of colors when people try to color each other with abir, gulal and other splashes color. The festival is celebrated in the midst of spring and summer season, and each and every moment of Holi is hilarious and enjoyable. People celebrate Holi with their neighbor, relatives, friends, and well wishers. The night before Holi is celebrated as Holika Dahan, when people burn Holika by collecting dry wood, dry leaves, plants, and other substances. Many rituals are conducted on Holika Dahan in Hinduism. Thank you.
Yes, very good. How nicely you have explained why you didn't have written your name before. You have explained it very well. Next is Himesh Gharat. Himesh. Yes, हिमेश घरत माइक ऑन करायचा आहे. ओके, बोल. कशावर बोलणार तू? येस हिमेश. What happened, Shardul? I didn't get you. Why you didn't have written your name? Don't lines to say. I didn't get you. What do you mean by that? Okay. Next is Karina Sheikh. Karina. माइक ऑन करायचा आहे.
My favorite
येस. याच्यामधून कोणताही एक सब्जेक्ट उचलून तू बोलू शकतेस. ओके शार्दुल, गुड. येस करीना, विल यू? चला पटकन सांगा, बोलणार आहात का?
my favorite animal cat and dog and
ओके, फक्त एक सिलेक्ट कर आणि त्यावर काहीतरी बोलून दाखव. लाईक माय फेवरेट अॅनिमल इज डॉग आणि त्यावर काही 2 to 3 लाईन्स.
my
No?
favorite
हा बोल.
my favorite book Marathi and Hindi and English.
No, that are subjects. Okay, fine. Put off your mic. हे बुक, माय फेवरेट बुक हा टॉपिक त्या लोकांसाठी आहे, उन लोगों के लिए है जो नॉवेल्स वगैरह पढ़ते हैं. ओके, कोई स्टोरी बुक पढ़ता है, कोई नॉवेल्स पढ़ता है, उनके लिए वो टॉपिक है. नेक्स्ट अंतरा. यस अंतरा. Okay, after Antara,
Mostly-
Bhavik, you will be. Yes, Antara, speak.
Okay.
Yes, Antara, start.
Yes, teacher. My favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Durge Madam. She is my class teacher.
Hmm?
She is strict but funny. She she cracks lot of jokes
Hmm?
when she teaches.
Okay.
We'll all stay quiet when she teaches. She
When she
teach
teaches, you have
she
to say,
teaches
yes, teaches.
good song. Song.
Okay. Okay.
She
Done?
yes.
Good. Good. Well tried, Antara. Very well tried. Yes, Aniket?
Yes. My favorite animal is the dolphin. They live in the ocean and they are cute and beautiful. They not only swim fast but are also smart. Their color is gray. They can swim and jump in the ocean. They look like fish, but they are mammals. Dolphins can be trained by people because they can learn things very quickly. They are very friendly, so I love them very much.
Okay, very good. Bhavik? Yes, Bhavik? You want to say?
My favorite animal is dog. Dog is the very best pet. Dog is
Hmm?
dog is a very best pet. Dog dog jump high and speed and runs run very fast.
Yes. It guards our house.
And guards our house and very best pet. Dog dog save the house and
Okay, fine. Bas.
dog is
Good.
the very best pet.
Next, Prathamesh. Prathamesh, put on your mic.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
My favorite festival. My favorite festival is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. It is celebrated for several days. It falls in the month of October or early November. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. It is also my favorite festival. Very favorite festival. It marks the victory of Ram over Ravan. It celebrated on occasion of Lord Ram's return to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Before it falls, people clean and whitewash their house. The toys and picture shops are rearranged. Sweets are bought and distributed. Candles and crackers are sold briskly. It is festival of shopping. Lakshmi Puja is performed.
Shopkeepers perform puja in their shop as well as at the home. People greet their relatives and friends with sweets and crackers. Shops are lighted with colorful bulbs and attract the huge crowd. I love Diwali very much.
Very good. Next is Arya. Arya.
My favorite pet is dog.
No, you have to say my favorite animal is dog.
My favorite is animal dog. Dog is run, high jump, and
Okay, fine. Next time prepare कर. Okay. Tejal.
my favorite season is winter. Winter is very cold season. This is useful start in the month of November and is February.
Yes. Continue.
Okay, teacher. झाला.
Okay, fine. So everyone has done, whoever were interested, right? So we are going to stop over here for today. आज आपण इथेच थांबणार आहोत. भाविका नंतरा you have done, right? Yes, भाविका नंतरा. Only one chance to one student. You have done it before. Okay. Yes. So we are going to stop over here. Whatever we have done today, have you understood it clearly? Tell me. Yes. Okay. Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts? No. Okay. So you can leave the class. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Welcome.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Bye. Good night.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Good night. Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.